Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes. Today I am going to tell the empirical formula for formula mass. This is the today's topic. This topic has taken from the chapter 1 of the class 11. So what is the topic? Let's start the today's topic. For the knowledge of previous all topic, you can watch my all previous videos that's available on my channel Krishna classes on YouTube. So you can watch for the knowledge of all that topics. So let's start the today's topic. What is the empirical formula for molecular formula? An empirical formula represent the simplest whole number. An empirical formula represent the simplest whole number ratio of various atom present in a compound. Okay. So what is the molecular formula? Molecular formula shows the exact number of different types of atom present in a molecule of a compound. It means empirical formula represent the simplest whole number ratio of various atom. Empirical formula represent the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms which present in a compound. Okay, and molecular formula shows the exact number of different types of atom which present in a molecule of compound. So here, if mass percentage of various element is known, then we can calculate empirical formula. Okay, and if the molar mass is known, then we determine the molecular formula. So what is the empirical formula? It represents the simplest whole number ratio of the various atom, and molecular formula, it is the exact number of different types of atom. So when we calculate the empirical formula, when we know the mass percentage of various element, then we can calculate empirical formula. And when we calculate molecular formula, when we know the molecular mass, then we calculate the molecular formula. Here example has given. What is the example? CH2Cl. So empirical formula mass given by mass of carbon 12.01. You know very well. You can watch for this topic my previous video. Plus 2 into 1.008. This is the mass of the hydrogen. Here is 2 hydrogen present. That's why we multiply by 2. Plus mass of the chlorine 35.453. This is the mass of the chlorine. So when we added these three quantities, we find 49.48 gram. So this is the empirical formula mass of the CH2Cl. Okay. So for the knowledge of mass, you can watch my all previous videos. I described in very detail how we can calculate the mass. So let's start the next point. Divide molar mass by empirical formula. So molar mass 98.96. You know very well molar mass 98.96 gram and empirical formula mass is 49.48 gram. Divided by this and we find 2. 2 is equal to n. So this is the 2 is equal to n. So multiply empirical formula by n. Empirical formula is CH2Cl multiplied by 2 and resultant C2H4Cl2. So this is the today's topic, empirical formula of molecular formula. I repeat again, what is the example? For CH2Cl, we write here empirical formula mass. First we write carbon mass, then 2 multiplied by hydrogen mass because here 2 hydrogen present. Then adding mass of the chlorine and we find 49.48 gram. This is the empirical formula mass. And when molar mass divided by empirical formula, then we find 2. Then this 2 again multiplied by the empirical formula and we find this value C2H4Cl2. So this is the today's topic. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you so much for the watching. For the understanding of all continuous topic, you can watch my all previous video for the knowledge of continuous topic. Thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.